Alright guys, turbo's finally gonna go in. We have our Gennari turbo, 54mm hybrid turbo upgrade with the OEM casting. Here it is. So the hot side was Cerakoted for heat treatment. Got that nice 54mm 10 blade intake side, and then on the exhaust side we have a 9 blade design. So it should be fun. Maybe putting this in already. Spin it for you guys real quick. There it goes. So we went ahead and removed the battery. First things first, you're gonna remove the subframe. You gotta get this 14mm off from here, and then you gotta pull the yoke up, and then remove the wheels. You're gonna remove the undercarriage right there, and then you're gonna take off the undercarriage, of course. You're gonna remove this one, tie rod. Where's the flashlight? Remove this one here. This is a 17, and then we're gonna remove this one here, which is a 19, the tie rod. And I'll show you guys in a bit what we need to remove stuff. Alrighty, once that's removed, you're gonna have to make sure you take there's a bracket here, the 19 and 2 14s here. Same thing on this side, 1 2 3, and then you gotta remove these 3 nuts here. Lower ball joint. These 3 nuts right here for the lower ball joint. Alrighty guys, so turbo's finally out. I'm gonna be transferring everything over to the new turbo. We got a pretty big mess here, but yeah, we're almost coming towards putting the new one in. This is 4 hours later. Alrighty guys, we have the Ryan's Views hybrid turbo tune in uploaded now. We're gonna go ahead and give it its first rip. Oh, it's just too fast, bro. What the fuck? Ah, shit. I didn't know I was gonna have a problem with traction. Holy shit. Oh my god, bro. Jesus Christ. See if we can get a little traction here. Oh my god, bro. Holy shit. Oh. Dude, this thing's crazy, bro. Jesus, this thing's nasty, bro. Oh my god. First impression, good. This is just a base file just to kind of get our data logs in. That's not even full throttle. Here it goes. Jesus. Oh my god, bro. Alrighty guys, cat's out of the bag. I am switching from N75 to Ryan's Views tunes. The reason being is I didn't have any issues with N75 at all. I just feel like N75 is a great tuner for OTS, you know, but when it comes down to custom tuning, I'm going to go with Ryan's Views team's custom tunes. I do have a hybrid turbo, and you know, when it comes down to it, it's who you trust. You know, I'm not gonna tell you guys that, like, you know, oh, you should do this one because it's better, or this one because, you know, I said so. It comes down to who do you trust. I did talk to N75. I asked them for a hybrid turbo file, and out of curiosity, I just asked them, like, hey, like, do you know, like, how much PSI does this push? And he said, yeah, about like 27 to 28. And I mentioned to him, I was like, hey, you know, wouldn't that cause the head to lift? And then he stated, yeah, it would if you have a stock block. So that kind of made me question a little bit of, do I trust this person because of that? You know, the tune has been phenomenal beforehand, you know, but since I do have some money invested in this, I trust more Ryan's Views team with the tuning, with the custom turbo, hybrid turbo, you know, and still being stock block, because at that point, you know, you're kind of playing a high risk game. You know, when it comes down, you got to pay to play, but also you know, it depends who you trust. Our tuner here at Ryan's View, he did tell me, like, hey, you know, before I can give you any files, I'm gonna need you to revert back to OEM, slap on the hybrid turbo, and then send me a data log from there. And I really kind of saw that as like, okay, this guy knows what he's doing. Like I mentioned, it doesn't mean that Daniel N75 does not know what he's doing, but the procedures from Ryan's Views team's tuner is more detailed than, like, I like it. I like very detailed things when it comes down to it. I don't know if I have OCD or not, but I like steps, I like structure. So Ryan's Views team tuner told me, like, yeah, just, you know, what I said, slap on the turbo, the custom hybrid turbo, get it on the OEM file, send me a data log, and we'll send you a base tune from there, which is what happened now. So right now I'm on a base tune. We were able to hit 25 PSI in the EK1, which is, I think actual PSI is like 24. And the car feels crazy, like it can't get traction. Definitely gonna have to get that lower mount for less wheel hop, because I was getting wheel hop in like third, second. But yeah, so far the car's doing great. I barely uploaded the tune like an hour ago, because EK1 was having issues with converting the files from EKE to EKR. But yeah, the car is doing great. I'm gonna go ahead and submit the data log. I'm currently stuck in traffic, so I can't do a data log, but yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. But man, honestly, the Ryan's Views team tuner just honestly just blew my mind. It is my first time having a hybrid turbo as well, so, you know, it's a new feeling to me. But yeah, I'm very excited to see what the future holds, and we have some records to break for sure. Personally, I do not want to go water meth route, and, you know, Ryan's Views team, we want to see what we can do with E, just to give you guys a little hint about it. But yeah, man, this is gonna be a fun ride. Make sure you guys stay tuned in. I know I have not been posting, you know, because I was saving to buy the turbo, because this was my next mod I really wanted. So I did get married this year as well, so, you know, priorities first. But now that, you know, I'm married, I'm able to dump a little bit of money on the vehicle, which is I did the turbo myself as well, which, you know, saved me a lot of money. We did come into a little bit of a hiccup. The wastegate arm was not adjusted properly, so I was getting a P2569F or something like that. I was saying circuit too high, so I also had broken the connector from the electronic wastegate. So I thought it was that, making poor connection. We fixed it, it still did it. So my last resort before changing the wastegate was to fix the arm. I fixed the arm. So yeah, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned, because this is gonna get crazy.